Hello, I'm just going to do the day challenge. It looks like we're in Malaysia, somewhere on the peninsula. Okay, what does it say here? Nothing helpful, I don't think, or at least that I know how to use. Okay, I'm either going to look for a road sign or a street sign because they can say the city on. One road is probably the name of a city, like here, but I'm not sure. Manjung. Okay, I'm just gonna carry on going. And hopefully I'll find something. I wonder if like BHD could be the state abbreviation, but I doubt it, so I'm not gonna bother checking. Does this have an address on? Okay, Manjung Perak. Perak's a state here. And then is that this? I think this is this whole state. I'll just check the order quickly. Yeah. Okay, so now I just need to look for Manjung. I feel like it shouldn't be that small, but I can't see it. It's possible it's just like part of Ipoh. Seri Manjung. Oh, here it is. Yep, here. And I'm going to go back to the start now. And so we go east to get to a road at this angle. I don't have enough time to 5k this, I'm just going to get in the middle. And yeah, makes sense. Okay, good score round one. That looks like French, or yeah, it is French. So yeah, I think we're in France. So now I'm just going to look for a phone code. I think that'll be the most helpful thing. But unless, I think it's hard to find like signs in France, so it seems like we're in a fairly big place. And maybe we're thinking currently like more southern, but I'm not sure. Okay, so I think one of like some billboard like shop front should have a phone code on, and most of them are regional. Okay, Chalon Thursday. Might be the name of the place. Hopefully, I think I should be able to find where I'm at. Also, there's the A6 there, I think. But I don't want to look for a phone code. A6, yeah, and A406. Okay, and Chalon. These green signs I think are places that are in a different department, so I should be able to scan for them. This should be fairly big. along with a6. If phone code would be so helpful. Okay, 0385. So that's about, oh yeah, Shannon says Sin, I think that's the name of the place. That's what was in the van at least. So, now, well, I hope this is, don't have much time, so I'm just going to go back to the start. And, where did we start? What is this place? I'm not sure what this is, but I don't have long, so, oh no. It was Macon. Well, that's unfortunate, but I knew that I didn't think the van would have travelled that far. I probably could have known from if I looked more closely at the signs. I kind of just assumed that. I knew that the van could have travelled to that. I'll leave a bait so that. Well, just for the joke mostly. But it was a pretty baity round. Okay, we're in Denmark here. These signs, Frederiksvåg. I probably should have checkpointed them, but it'll be fine. Okay, they're all too close for me to be able to scan for, so I'm gonna need a road number, I think. Okay, I'll just fast move until I find some better information. Moving so annoying. I just need the road number pretty much. That the sea to the north? I feel like it could be. Yep, okay. It might be a good idea to go back to the start and go the other way. I don't really think I'm going to find anything here. Well, I mean go the other way. Oh. Here's the row number 16. Okay, can I find it fast enough? In 30 seconds I should be able to. It's a fairly big one, I think. 15, 16, here we go, and Hunderstead. But we can see to the north actually. See the sea to the north, so I guess we're probably around here. Okay, I've got no time. Oh, it goes across there. Yeah, I should have seen that. I wondered if it did, but I didn't really have time to check. Okay. Not a very good score on Denmark there. I just need to find the road number with more time. If I'd gone that way to begin with, I would have been fine. But yeah, I thought it might go across the sea, but in Mexico 2, I think is up here somewhere. Yeah, it goes across here. And then 97 is here, so we're probably in Reynosa. Matamoros for East Longer 2, yeah, that makes sense. And along with 97, San Fernando, I'm sure, I think we're probably here. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the start and try and find, okay, interesting start. Okay, if I go north, northwest, and then north again, we get to this big divided highway going at this angle. So like this maybe. Or and it could even be like here. It's like, it feels very big. It has like a bridge. Let's see, and yeah, another one passes under. So I think that makes sense. So so basically just travel north, northwest, and get onto a road like this. Something a bit like that, and then we travel north without getting to any intersections, and we're just coming onto the start of this. It's like I don't think there's any like businesses or anything here. It's a bit strange. Okay, no, this is more of a proper road. So it's going at like this angle. There's this. I wonder if we're somewhere like here. Well, obviously not, because there's not like two roads, but I'm just gonna guess. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Didn't quite have time or to line it up. Okay, where's this? Like Singapore? No, it's not Singapore. I don't. It's like France or Spain, maybe, or somewhere like that. Okay, what does it say? For some reason I was thinking Romania, but I didn't really know. This looks like like an address on Sovata. I doubt that's going to be findable. I think I need another sign. I'm just checking it's not a big place. Often like the road markers along the roads are helpful. So yeah, I'll probably be looking out for one of those, so I don't really know. Or we might just find signs. But it seems pretty likely we'll just see nothing at all. Like, doesn't really look like there's gonna be much information here. So we're in the mountains, and the mountains are roughly in the middle of the country. So I think just Lake Middle should be fairly close here. I hope so. We might find some info actually. Okay, there should be info on this roundabout. Looks pretty good. Okay, Cluj, no, that's obviously up here. So southwest, interesting. And then Kolozva. Okay, there's probably more signs around here, so oh no. Oh, it's too late for that, I think, though. Savata here it is. Okay, nice. 4998. Unfortunately, I thought at the last moment, so didn't have time to 5k. 24,494. It's a pretty decent score, I think. And I'm 24 from the UK. Okay, goodbye.